Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to use our own data in chat completion model in Azure OpenAI. So first of all, I already have one Azure OpenAI services. So we will open that. Go to that Azure OpenAI service, which is hosted in East US locations. So we will go to the Azure OpenAI Studio. So we'll check what are the deployment I have. Currently, I don't have any deployment. So first of all, we will deploy our model. So we will go to the deploy base model. Here we will use the GPT-4 model, which is good for the chat completion, and that is which we need. Now we will go to the, we will confirm to create our deployment model. We will use the default parameter and we will deploy the model. So our deployment is done. So we will open our ground. So here we will use our own data and we will check how it will give the report to us. So first of all, we will go to the add your data. And here there is a add a data source. Okay, before adding a data source, I need to download some data. So we'll go and we'll download some data. Okay, here I came to this Tata Motor website and I found some annual reports. So let's download this 179 integrated annual report. Let me go ahead and download this report. Okay, I already downloaded my report and now we'll go to the add a data source. So we will click add a data source. Here we will selecting our data source is upload file, which is currently in a preview version. So we will click it. We cannot able to directly upload the files. We need to, before uploading file, we need to create a Azure Blob storage. So we'll go ahead and create a new blob storage. So quickly I'll give the name. So it is not required, it's not happy. So let me delete. Okay, so I have given the name. The name is already taken. So we will go to give the some different name. We will give and give the sign like primary services. It is a we will go ahead and give the Azure files. We will put the performance as the standard level. We will go ahead and create a review and create. And all the verification is done. And now we will click the create. So it will be create our storage account. So currently deployment is in a progress. Let's come back when our storage account is deployed. Our storage account is deployed, so we can go to the resources and check it. And yeah, this storage account is deployed. Now we can go to our chat background and we can use this storage account. Our storage account is available, so we'll click refresh. So it will be available. This is our storage account. So we have selected that. Once you select the Azure Blob storage account, it is asked to your permission to access these resources. So we need to turn on course. So let's turn on course. After that, we need Azure AI search resources. So as you can see this message, no Azure AI search resources found. So we need to create one. We are creating AI search services. So it is a require to resource group. So we already have a resource group. Which one we will using? We will give some name to our services. And we will use the East US location. Okay, currently it is showing regions are disabled, so we will go to the East US too. And we are changing our pricing trial. Actually, we will not keep this one for free because free services we cannot use for the AI search services. So let's check first. Okay, we can use the free services. So currently I'm using the free services. So just check either we can use our free services for the our chat playground to use the to add the our own data. So we'll go to the review and create, and we will create it. At least we have to use our basic services, but currently for the showing purpose only I'm using the free services, free pricing trial. So it is a deployment is in progress. Yeah, our deployment is completed. So we will go to the resources. So you can see it. You can see it. Our Azure AI search services is deployed properly. Now we are back to our Azure OpenAI chat playground, and we will add to our Azure AI resources which we have just created. We'll refresh one time to check our Azure AI resources is available or not. Okay, it is available. We'll click Azure AI search resources. See, free tier is not supported. Please select another resource. So friends, this is only I want to show we cannot use free trial to Azure AI search services. So let me go back to create a new Azure AI search resources. We'll back here once we'll create a new Azure AI services apart from the free trial. We are back to create a Azure AI search services. So we will go to the Azure OpenAI. In there, we will go to the Azure AI service. Here we will create a new Azure AI service. We'll keep our resource name, which is available. We'll give our Azure AI search service name, AI search service. So we will give some different name. And here we will use East US. Now, friends, you already see free tier is not available for Azure AI. Free tier, it's not able to use. It is in our chat playground, so we need to create a new one. So we will go ahead and we'll try to keep as minimum. So we will use the basic services, basic tier to create our Azure AI search services. So we have selected, and we will go to the review and create. We will keep the all other option is as it is. Now validation is in progress, is validated. Now we will go to the create. Okay, so my deployment is failed because we cannot use East US 2 region for deploying our basic services. So that is also you can keep it not. You cannot use East US 2 region for your basic service to deploy. So we will go ahead and delete this deployment. We will create the new deployment in other region. So that deployment is deleted. Now we will create a new Azure OpenAI. AI search services, and we will create it. We'll keep our resource group name same as it is. We'll give the name. Currently it is showing central US, so we will keep it same as it is. We'll go ahead and use it the basic service. We'll create a review and create. Once validation is processed, create it. Now you can see it. Our location is a central US and pricing trial is a basic. So it is initializing my deployment. So for this Azure AI search services, deployment is in progress and deployment is completed. Now this Azure AI search services resources, we can use it in our chat playground. So we are back to our Azure OpenAI chat playground, and we'll refresh this Azure AI search resources. Okay, you can see there is a we have two resources, Azure AI search resources. So one is a AI search resources, which is in a free trial, which is not supported, and we have deployment AI resources. You can see this is available. We have to give the index name. So we will give this index name as you can give your own name. I'm giving development index. Now here it is asking me to upload your files, and this is the limit, 16 MB size limit, and you can upload this all the files, txt file, md file, html, pdf, docs and ppt. These are the valid file format as of now. Okay, so we will go ahead and browse for the files. I already downloaded Tata Motor annual reports, so which I'm selecting. Oh, file is a large 19 MB, which is the O limit for 16 MB. So we need to check some different file. So Tata Motor report is file size is more, so I'm deleting this, and I will browse for the another files and uploading. So I have downloaded another report, JLR annual report, so which I'm selecting and opening. So this is the just only 6 MB, so it is we can able to use these files. So we'll go ahead and upload the files. We'll click the next. After uploading, we need to use for the data management. There is a two option, keyword and semantic. So we'll keep it as it is, what is available. We will use the default options, and we will go ahead and click the next. But for your data connection, you have to select how it is connected. All these other your services, different services, Azure AI Search Service, Azure OpenAI, Azure Blob Storage, how they will connect to each other. Currently, it is by default it is showing system assign manage identity. I will use it is same as it is, and I will click the next. When I use the system assign manage identity, it is this one is a fail for me, because when I have created my Azure AI search resources, Azure AI open resources, so in that times I disable system assign manage identity, so it is failed. So I need to use the API key. I will keep API key and click the next. So it is validating, and it is of now it is in a final process, review and finish. You can review and check it once. If you look like once you are satisfied your reviewing, then you can click save and close. Now it start pre-processing and index, and after pre-processing does, it will do the indexing. So Let's come back when ingestion is process. We will be back when all the thing is done. So pre-processing and indexing is done, but it's give me some warning. So friends, for me it is showing yellow color, yellow background with Y font text. So I cannot able to see. I think Microsoft has to look at this and changing the background color. So at least we can easily see. So it is showing me your data was connected with the following alert, truncated extracted. So this is the one warning, is simple warning is there. So it's not a problem. Now we will go to the, we will type our query and see what other result is coming. So before typing the query, we will see first uploaded the reports and then we will search from there. So I have opened this report and we'll search for it. We'll see the report first. There is lots of pages in a report, so we cannot go ahead and search it. So this one is looks good for me. So we can type the query in our chat background to give the cells by region. So let's go ahead and check. So friends, we are back and we will see, we'll type our query and to find the cells per the region. Cells per region. So friends, it is giving me the details, the cells per region for JLR in financial 23-24 is like is as on below, and it is also providing the references from where it is finding. So you can see it is exactly finding from this page for UK, North America, China, Europe, overseas region, what are the number of cells per that regions. So how beauty is for this chat playground. Here in our report, it is saying they are facing some challenges in during the financial 23-24 and how they have improved their business from their challenges. So let's search for that. So we will type the query, what are the challenges faces in financial 23-24. Rate limit is exceeded. I need to wait for the 57 seconds. Let me come back after 57 seconds. Okay, type me one more time. What are the challenges faces in 324? I cannot execute this query. This is the pretty much for this chat playground. We'll check how we can use this chat playground uploading our own data to Python in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, press the like button and also please the subscribe. Thanks again for watching my video. Thank you.